Hello, and welcome back to Welspun Leads by Dipali Goenka. I'm Dipali, CEO and Joint Managing Director of Welspun India. Through this podcast, I will share my thoughts on various topics that are relevant to growing the company and the industry at large. Join me in this journey as we move along diverse experiences and learnings in the era of digitization and doing business with the heart. Remember, when we used to go on field trips to study manufacturing setups like a textile mill or an automobile assembly line. Weren't they fascinating trips for us? Today, I'll take you on a tour, not of a factory, but of the manufacturing industry as a whole, both in India and around the world, because, of late, there has been so much happening in the manufacturing processes thanks to technology and innovation. Now, manufacturing rules are being rewritten as a result of digitization and an adaptable business mindset. We have, of course, come a long way from the Swadeshi movement started by Mahatma Gandhi when we spun yarn on the charkha and weaved cloth at home to ring in the khadi movement and promote self-sufficiency in cloth making. However, to understand the growth of textile manufacturing, it is important to understand the history of industrialization itself. Mass production was not possible back then, but that changed in the 18th century with the arrival of the first industrial revolution of Industry 1.0, when steam generated power was used and the production was mechanized. The textile industry benefited the most because steam engine powered weaving looms replaced handmade textile products and allowed mass production to begin. This was followed by the second industrial revolution, or Industry 2.0, a century later, when electricity was introduced and assembly line production using conveyor belts became the norm, a practice that Henry Ford used to mass produce his cars. Then, in the latter half of the 20th century, computers made their big debut, ushering in Industry 3.0 because of digital process automation, where production processes began to take place without human intervention. Robotics began to be used in manufacturing. The technology boom of the 2000s revolutionized business by improving communications, systems, processes, data analysis, and pretty much every other aspect. It enabled a dynamic market by opening up new ideas and products. A digital revolution replaced process excellence approaches such as Lean, Six Sigma, and others, resulting in new business models that increased efficiency and instilled change. It was predicted that this was not a fad, and 71% of global CEOs polled in IBM's 2012 CEO Global Survey identified technology as the top external force of change. Since 2011, we have been living in the fourth industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0, which has brought together cyber and physical systems, machines capable of exchanging real-time information for decision-making over the industrial Internet of Things, IoT, are now a reality. Industry 4.0 is built on 9 technology pillars such as cloud computing, IoT, artificial intelligence, big data science, 3D printings, 5G, drones, communications, and so on, all of which are used to increase productivity in manufacturing processes. Over and above previous human-machine interactions, real-time machine communication is now possible. In India, the government is keen to develop new policy frameworks for emerging technologies. The National Manufacturing Policy, NMP, of India has been promulgated to increase manufacturing's share of GDP to 25%, and Industry 4.0 is the only way to accomplish this goal. In India, the textile sector has always been at the forefront of innovation. Today, The textile industry accounts for 14% of total industrial output, 30% of total exports, and 4% of India's GDP, and is the second largest source of employment after agriculture. The need of the hour is to incorporate technology and innovation into the manufacturing process, which is what Welspun has been working on. For example, we have developed WellTrack, a patented end-to-end traceability process. This proprietary, revolutionary, and industry-defining process allows traceability of any product back to its fiber source, using a cutting-edge solution providing transparency and real-time information. Welspun is one of the largest exporter of home textiles. As a matter of fact, Welspun Advanced Textiles has ventured into the emerging field of technical textiles. With the state-of-art spunlace and needle punch technology at the core, innovative and specially customized products are offered to global customer base in personal hygiene, fem care, various industrial filtration, and composite applications. Cotton is the most important component of Indian textiles. The production of raw cotton in the country is critical to the success of the textile industry. Sustainability conscious companies have introduced processes to ensure that their cotton is organically produced. Welspun is one such company that has led the way in sustainable farming. Under our initiative Velkrishi, we are working with 16,000 farmers and total land of 1.5 lakh acres in 3 states on growing organic cotton as well as better cotton, where sustainability is the center of cotton cultivation practices. This initiative is enabling us to move towards climate smart and regenerative agriculture by adopting practices to improve carbon sequestration in the soil. In each village, 30 to 35 farmers form a learning group, and an expert field team of 65 people is helping farmers across the season on adopting integrated nutrient and pest management practices and working towards enhancing water use efficiency and biodiversity. Hygrocotton, a much lauded innovation, is made with a proprietary spinning technology that results in yarn with a revolutionary hollow core. As a result, hygrocotton towels feature quick dry technology, making the product softer, fluffier, and more absorbent after each wash. The patented process makes bedsheets more breathable, wicks away moisture, adjusts to the temperature, and softens with each wash, allowing the customer to sleep cool and comfortably. The company also obtained the interactive textile article and augmented reality system patent for its new smart textile product line, dubbed Spintails. It has also been successful in establishing an ecosystem of universities, technology partners, and industry associations to continuously develop new products and processes. Another feather in the cap is the same day flooring solutions with click and lock tiles, which are an intelligent step ahead of traditional flooring solutions. These floor tiles, designed with the innovative well lock technology, allow for installation of floor tiles on the existing floors in less than a day. So, by incorporating innovation and technology into the manufacturing process, we have revolutionized the flooring industry. Though the textile industry has always been a tough business, it has always adapted to changing trends and worked to reskill its workforce. While we wait to see what the future holds, the need of the hour is to adopt a lifelong learning mindset in order to stay relevant. Welspun is clearly ahead in capitalizing on this trend, thanks to its early start. I hope you found this story interesting. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such insights in the coming months. Till then, take care and stay healthy.